What is up, everyone? Welcome back to your daily stimulus check news. The topic of today's video is your fourth stimulus check update. Today is April 22nd. Let's get right into the article, starting with the very first article. Child tax credit date plus up payments in the third check, how to claim, and much more. As you see right here, the headline would cover multiple things, including the new child tax credit system expected to be placed in July, as well as if we take a look right here, what has Biden said on the fourth stimulus check, along with will a fourth stimulus check be sent out in May, specifically right here, will a fourth stimulus check be sent out in May? That's the very first article. Then we have the next article right here. Basically, Biden's next stimulus bill could bring even more money, even more stimulus checks. With that being said, the amount of money you'll actually receive and who's actually eligible to receive the stimulus check is yet to be determined. So far, according to my source and what Biden has said himself, is that there's 100% going to be an additional 2 stimulus packages and a total budget of $40 trillion. What does that mean? Let's just do the basic math. Literally less than half of last time. What does that mean? Less than half the amount of people will actually be eligible to receive these stimulus checks. We still don't have any further detail on who will and who is not eligible to actually receive these checks, but we will go more in depth. I'll tell you what my source said personally that works inside Senate. And finally, we have the third article right here, fourth stimulus check update. It could take anywhere between 2 weeks to 2 months, right? It could actually be here by May 1st. It could actually take all the way in the summer. Nobody really knows. But real quick, before we proceed, before we go more in depth in all 3 of these articles, I just want to show you the articles. Let me take 2 seconds out this video to let you know every single day I post daily videos on my channel, and in every single video I give away free Amazon gift cards. If you want to enter the free Amazon gift card giveaway, which I do in every single video every single day, all you have to do is hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, comment the word orange or orange emoji, guys, either the word orange or an orange emoji. And then in tomorrow's video I will be picking the winner live, just like I'm doing now. Let's pick a winner from my last video. 368 comments. This is live. Please leave a like. Let's pick a winner right now. We have Dallin Matthew with the word money. Dallin, please email me averagetuber@yahoo.com. Please email me again, averagetuber, one word, @yahoo.com. Again, you have 24 hours to claim your Amazon gift card. Congratulations. That's why you want to watch daily, guys. The winner will be picked in tomorrow's video. And just like Dallin here, if you want a chance to win, again, please enter the giveaway. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, comment the word orange or an orange emoji, guys. Again, I want to give away money. I give away over 1,355 people free Amazon gift cards, over $23,500 all out of my own pocket. I want to be Mr. Beast 2.0. All I want to do, and my goal of YouTube, is literally help as many people as possible during the pandemic. I want to be Mr. Beast 2.0. Please hit that like button. Please share this on social media. Subscribe for daily videos, daily giveaways. With that being said, let's get into the articles. Let me start summarizing. Basically, what we know now is that the last batch of the third stimulus check is officially done being sent out, and now Joe Biden did go on record and say 2 more stimulus packages totaling $40 trillion will actually be used. But the question remains, if we have a $40 trillion budget and we have 2 more, extended stimulus packages on the way, will those stimulus packages actually include stimulus checks? Will they be $600 checks? Will they be $1,200, $1,400? I have a source inside Senate, and even they don't know 100%, because every single day they're going to meetings, they're going to Zoom calls, they're going to, phone calls. They're actually, negotiating, trying to come to an agreement between the Democrats and the Republicans. It's a hard thing to actually come to an agreement on, negotiate, because you have one party, one side saying it's 100% unnecessary, another stimulus check is just wasting more money, going more into debt, which I do understand, but then the other side saying it's 100% necessary because more people are still in need. A lot of people are in debt, which I 100% agree with. I personally think there should be minimum 1 more stimulus check package, if not 2, if not monthly stimulus checks, but that's besides the point. Please comment below. Let me know what you think. Should people actually receive an additional 4th stimulus check? And now let's look at this article right here, Biden's next stimulus bill, because he did go on record to say there's going to be an additional 2 stimulus packages coming. What does this mean for you? Let's look right here. When will another family plan arrive? Basically, a $2 trillion plan to build and upgrade roads and transport. That is good. How big Americans family plan could benefit you? Basically, you have a bunch of money that's going to families, which I like. You have the child tax credit, just to quickly summarize. 2 years of tuition-free community college. Again, I like this. There's many good things. I'm not going to read it one for one right here. More affordable child care, along with free pre-kindergarten instructions, paid family leave, for you and your wife. There's a lot of good things in the stimulus package, but the question is, number 1, when will it arrive? Will it take 2 weeks or will it take 2 months? Nobody knows. I want to see credible sources and articles talk about this. When can we expect it? What is the timeline looking like? And number 2, is it going to include stimulus checks? All these things are great, right? Student loan forgiveness, married couples. having a baby, having leave, that's great. All these things are 100% amazing, and I support it, right? Child tax credit, yes. But the most important thing is direct funding, direct money in the form of stimulus checks to Americans. Will it actually be included in these stimulus packages? I definitely hope so. I'm on the side. I support direct stimulus checks, guys. I support additional fourth stimulus check. That's just my personal opinion. And finally, we have this article. When can we expect it? Hopefully, I'm hoping, 2 weeks, beginning of May. If not, it could be June. It could be July. Nobody really knows. But according to my source, we're hoping for the best, guys. We're keeping it 100% honest. Every single day, I keep you guys updated. Even if it's not, the best news, I'm never going to lie to you. I'm never going to manipulate you, tell you what you want to hear, even though it's not true. I genuinely show you every single article, every single news sources, where I get my information from. Name me another YouTuber that actually shows you what they're reading. They just look at a camera and lie to you. Please do me a favor. Please support the video. Please enter the giveaway. I want to give away money. I want to help you. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Comment the word orange or an orange emoji. In my next video, I'll be picking the winner, so make sure to check every single day. Hit that like, be subscribed, comment. That's it for today, guys. Have a great day. Peace.